This guide will walk you through the process of creating and adding labels in your Catenda Hub project. First, access the Settings menu. Then, navigate to the Labels section. Click on the top right button. Fill in any text you wish. Here the example, Architecture. Choose the specific color you like. Select the preferred color. Apply the changes by clicking Submit. Access the Documents tab. Navigate to Documents. You would like to add a label. Select the documents you want to add a label. In the Write Information panel, click the Label field. Choose the label you would like to assign to the documents. Save the changes made. Access the Documents section again. Filter for your label. You see only the documents with the specific label. This guide covered the steps required in the Catenda application to create and add labels, from accessing settings and labels, to selecting specific options, toggling row selections, and saving changes. You are now equipped to efficiently manage labels in your Catenda Hub project.